Hi friends, my name is Kaitlyn Palladino and I am the field executive with MAC Cosmetics based out of Orlando, Florida. Favorite tips and tricks on how I like to beat the heat and keep my skin looking nice and matte throughout the day. Hey, my first favorite product that I'm dying to show you is of course the Fix Plus Matte Spray. This is magic in a bottle. Once you spray it, it instantly controls oil right on the surface of the skin. Why I love it is absolutely for smoothing the skin. Who doesn't want smoother looking skin? Now for the matte part, the magic part, you want to shake it up because in this bottle, you actually have the powder mixed in with our Fix Plus spray, along with silica and other active ingredients that are going to help control the shine. So I'm gonna actually spray this before I even begin any of my makeup or other skincare to kind of lay the groundwork. And then I'm also gonna be using this later to set my makeup. You wanna hold it back a bit. Spray will start to dry down, okay? And give me the appearance of smoother skin and more mattifying skin. So that's why Fix Plus Matte Spray is one of my go-to faves. I love you. Now that we did our Fix Plus spray, we're gonna move on to the genie in the bottle. The Mineralize Time Check Lotion. This does everything. So let me show you here on my hand. For $45, this incredible genie in a bottle is almost a gel-like primer, okay? The consistency is super, super smooth. The moment you put it on, it's instantly cooling and refreshing. And what I like to do is just pat it into my skin, okay? You can also use a brush, that is up to you. But I really like to warm up the skincare and press it in. It gives you an optical illusion, okay? This is mind-blowing. And instantly blurs and reduces any fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. That's right up my alley and just what I'm looking for. So I never start any skincare look without Mineralized Time Check Lotion. For my final product, I'm gonna show you our Prep and Prime Translucent Loose Powder, which comes in this little jar. There's our powder. This is fantastic for all skin types and especially great for anyone that is looking to control oil. So I am gonna use a large fluffy brush, okay? And I'm gonna go right into the product and tap it in. And any excess, which I love it all, I don't wanna get rid of too much excess, I tap right in to the areas where I want it to be most matte. By putting this powder on top, it helps blur any fine lines as well as pores. You can use it under your makeup, over your makeup. Gotta have it every day. Prep and Prime Translucent. Pretty matte, but still hydrated in the right areas, which is exactly what we were going for. So quick recap. We use the Fix Plus Matte Spray. This is your hello and your goodbye. Next, we use the Mineralized Time Check and will be your lifesaver. And you will be telling all of your friends about this because I know I do. This is your bye-bye to texture. And then lastly, we did Prep and Prime Translucent Powder. And this is the product that you can use with or without foundation, under your foundation, over your foundation. Use it as an eyeliner saver. There really are no rules with this product. So thank you so much for joining me today on my matte skin journey. Hope to see you soon. Bye.